Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaddie
and Donna and Shanna.
Yeah, you don't know, we're here at the Hyatt Zilara Hotel.
Yeah,
we're having a grand time and we're just gonna kickstart the video right now. We're there for a couple hours already and it's the dolly them there around there. Dolly them do them thing. Yeah, we have a good time. I know you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog. Pure action, pure fun. We're here for 3 nights, 4 days, so stick around. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to comment down below, and of course subscribe so you can keep up with us. Okay, yeah man.
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This steps in heavy violin. Last minute pips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it.
Alright guys, so my hair is finished, and if you would love to get your hair done just like this, or even other styles, you can check out Ming Hairstyles on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description below.
You've arrived at your destination.
Hey guys! You excited? Hey guys!
One for the fans.
Yeah, say hi!
What's poppin'?
Guys, we're going to dinner. Of course the girls are not ready, just me and Dana, you know. We don't take long to get ready. Ready quick. Right, true.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll catch up when the others are here.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer.
Guys, I'm just doing a pick wheel.
We're there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own.
We have escovitch saltfish, very spicy. We have fish in foil. We have corn. We have roast yam and roast sweet potato. And we top up the corn, the roast yam and the roast potato with butter.
So guys, we're at a street food festival. Dark. Look at that. Alright, so we're getting some jerk chicken. Dada! Guys! Oh, you enjoying yourself some version?
It's good, you know, man. Yeah, man. Right in Jamaica, man.
Everything Irie.
Yeah, Irie. Yeah, man.
Guys, the dolly them dollying. Watch brats. Watch Sean the brat. Whoa! Damn! Whoa, we're never ready for that one. We're never ready. Okay, we have the supporters over here capturing the doll. Alright guys, so we just finished dinner and now we're gonna go into the jacuzzi. We're gonna watch a movie and chill, so let's go. Hot.
A few moments later.
Guys, the movie not finished, but we get cool. And like the jacuzzi, it wasn't hot. It was lukewarm. Alright, so I try to find a room, you know? That way every time will last. But yeah, I enjoyed myself. It was really nice. But it get cool, so I'll go back to the room, finish party with the girls. They went out to the bar and they were enjoying their stuff, so you know, we just do like a chill night. But yeah, that's pretty much it for day 1. Okay?
Day 2.
Guys, look how much food done I eat last night. Look how much food. Hi guys.
Good morning! Guys, we wake up and now we're heading to a breakfast. I know some girl had a room service last night. I'm still hungry, but that's okay, guys. The hotel nice. They have 24 hours room service. Yeah! Okay, let's go. Bye. Just finished breakfast. It was good, right?
Yeah, it was good.
We had a lot of options, and now we're gonna go to the room and change. Thanks, here. Evening now, now. Guys, we're walking. We're gonna meet up with Shanna, then we're gonna go into the pool. That not change already because you know, oh, she's there already. Goods change long time. Guys, we just done changing in the bathroom. Oh, are you feeling up on your face?
I'm gonna spray like in oil. I'm gonna spray
Do not spray directly into face. Spray on hands, then apply it to face.
I'm gonna spray it away.
Oh. Guys, we're gonna attempt to do some water sports. So that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, coming out the lights. Guys, 12 hours it takes full of this food. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Oh my God! Wow!
Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bed.
Sing out to me, sending back his return. When everybody a shout, we have them at the again. Keep your ready there. Swing your one from left to right, know the song of my day. Beat them like a whipping on me, and me all of my friends for them. They hear a talk when them see we them not in nothing. Make sure you swing your one there. When them come to you with argument, make sure you run them. Happy I live a life, I make money, we not a problem. I'm a gotcha to make us say them, but we not look at them. So you feel bones. So you feel bones.
Here we go, ladies. Thank you. Sorry. Okay.
Shana, you know your color stepping up.
Strawberry daiquiri. Nice. Orange juice. Mine. Marley. Hi, Joby.
Dana, go feed, go feed. Guys, Vivica Fox there to celebrate her birthday. A big thing. She don't know what she invite we down here. Yeah? Celebrate with Auntie Viv. Hey, Auntie Viv. Just landed. Russia!
Fine. Go you man.
Hello. Hi guys, we're back again. We are waiting. We're waiting to go out in the sea so we can go and sail, but now we're just chilling and waiting. We're eating. I got hot dog, jerk chicken, jerk pork. So we just chill and relax, and then we'll tell you guys when we're out in the sea. Bye.
Dana, how you feel ever do?
We feel how we ever do?
Yeah. You gonna manage your water?
Yeah.
You gonna angle it?
Yes.
Alright, good. Brad, how you feel?
We're ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Alright. Ruth, you know I look for nobody at Cuba?
I'm gonna die, but I'm gonna go.
You cannot cross it.
Cannot cross it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright guys, so we're going up next. If you know me personally, you know I'm afraid. If you know me on YouTube, I am very brave. So may I do it for the vlog, right? So we're gonna go up. I'm scared because them literally go very far. Hopefully Ruth and we get to catch us. I wanna get to see how far we are going.
I go to now? I eat this. Me see it. Why you think me not see it? Alright, see you now. Yeah, guys. Oh my god. This is so fun. Adventurous. What is name? Just sailing? Parasailing? No, just sailing. No, it's kind of rough still. Okay. But we're making it. Look. Yeah. Me. Yeah, hold on. Whoa. Why? What's wrong? I get you for a cheap. I just imagine say the partner do you actually It's calm now. It's calm. Where we're coming from. You can't take one picture with. Oh no, we don't want you let me see. Oh my god. Do this every day. Oh! Use fair for watch it. This is so guys, it's nice food. Dana. Yes, it's nice. Big up New Year. Oh, big up stuff. Guys, it's nice. Make sure if you come at Hyatt when you come to the sailing. It's scary at first, but now we are going. Smooth ride. I like it. I like it. Going in, but outside nice. Yeah, the little Ilang gully thing. Have a vibe. We'll try bring the return. We're gonna try tomorrow. We're gonna try. Yeah, guys, we'll come outside already. We're done. It's bad. Alright guys, so we go on the water sport and Shaddie phone went up in the water, so we have big rice. So am I gonna get the rice for you? I'm gonna ask you for rice and yeah, so for fun. How you feeling? Your face now feel how you actually feel Your phone me alright. It's a plate. Just ask me for rice and pizza. White rice. Which one you want? The man them have to do. And that me tell him if just a real rice and peas or white rice. Which one better for the phone, guys? The white rice. Guys, we got help.
I saw the phone swimming because the video in the water done.
Yeah.
I know.
We did have it in our yes. We did have it in this, you know.
And the water going out?
Yes, and this no good.
One black one on my
Oh.
Thank you so much, guys.
Hola. Yeah. Alright guys, so we did the other sailing, that's where we left off. We were having a good time. And Radam, like me, guys, not even know what to tell you, but it was going so good. And we went sailing and basically my phone was in a waterproof case that I just bought at Walmart, brand new. It's in the waterproof case, everything is sealed and everything. We went out to sail. I don't know if the case decides it want to enjoy itself too, but when we got back to shore, I realized that my phone, it's submerged in salt water. Basically, the case was halfway full.
So currently I have no phone, no way to contact anybody. So of course by the time when you see this, one would know say if you not call me and I get me. That's what happened. But my mood definitely did, because this is like my 5th phone, and I'm being, you know, it's like my 5th phone that's being damaged by water. I always ensure that I have my waterproof case, like my investing in them. So I'm very disappointed, because that should have happened. It's not like I went out there careless with my phone or anything like that. So my eye them red. Yes, I was crying. I wasn't going to go to dinner, but I realized I don't have my laptop. If I stay here, anything happen, I don't have any way of contacting anybody other than the hotel phone with them take long for answer. So I'm gonna have to just go out with my friends, because they are the ones with the phones. So that's what happened. I'm very sad, of course. I am sad. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Why? I'm still in a shock. I'm gonna have a phone. I still have the camera, so I'm trying to pull through. May I try pull through? Let's go, guys. I'm still about. I'm sad. Hi, guys. So we're at the restaurant Yard Vibes, the Jamaican restaurant. We're waiting to get seated and stuff. It's really cute.
Miss, kinda shake that thing, yo. Annabella shake that thing. Miss, Donna, yo. Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo. Shake that, Miss, kinda shake that thing. Annabella shake that. Miss, Donna, yo. Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo. Shake that, Miss, kinda shake that thing. Annabella shake that. Miss, Donna, yo. Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo. Shake that.
How are you? Fantastic. So we have rice and peas. Enjoy.
Callaloo, rice and peas. Help yourself.
Black tab. That's the color.
Color the rice. And so stew beef, curry goat. Beef. Curry. That's such a girl with grandma.
I am fantastic.
Spicy shrimp.
No problem.
What's in the foil?
We have pumpkin foil in coconut milk. Pumpkin coconut milk.
What else? Over that.
Some sweet corn, some fried fish right here.
I'll have one of the sweet.
One of the sweet corn. Yeah.
Alfredo.
Them are potato sauce.
Thank you.
Sorry about
Demonstration is going. So the green button at the top, switch between the two DJs. You have one red, one green, or something like that. Okay. Yeah, and then you have basically wheel something like that. So up is up, down is down, and that's for the volume. Wheel? Oh yeah.
Come DJ, run the track.
Alright guys, so we just finished dinner and now we're going to transform into our headphone party bag.
Just give me the line.
Day 3.
We have a breakfast. Rutan, fast asleep. Fast asleep, I tell you. So yeah.
You filming a movie?
YouTube video. Alright guys, so we had breakfast, we went on the road, we looked for Justin and Daniel. We're back now and we're going to pool
First, we're going to look for Lieutenant Sean because they take long for ready. My voice gone, so the video them sound really, really rough. But yeah, go and stick around. We still have a good time. My voice completely gone. Hi. Say hi. Come on.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Well then, let me see you get.
Hi guys! Chantel, tell them what going.
Hi guys, we're gonna play on beach volleyball. So we'll tell you the win.
They must set it up for you guys. They must set it up.
Now everybody go to breakfast.
Hey, Shaddie TV.
Hi guys, we're at the pool. Everybody have a good time.
What you done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you.
Can't believe I can't sing.
Question, Shana.
Sing again. Sean, why you look for me? Sing again.
No.
Sing again. Sing again.
Guys, we just done with the pool. My boy still not come back. We're going to carry it for dinner now. They might talk about karaoke. What kind of karaoke me can do?
I think I karaoke.
I may just have to go listen. I can't perform and show them my talent.
Oh no!
2 hours later.
Hi guys, so we're finally ready for dinner. I am still ready from the pool. My pie is still gone. Hopefully we'll make our reservation, okay? Down. Oh, good night.
Lollipop? Thank you. You're welcome. I'm having chocoyanga. What's the name again? Chicken karage. I'm having chicken karage. It's topped with spicy mayo. Right. Sagarashi spice and scallion. Let her tell you what I'm having. It's a vlog.
Shaddie, what are you having?
Shrimp.
What kind of shrimp?
I don't know. Shrimp.
Then we have
Something as good except the white rice. I'm having dog.
guys, I'm having salmon. You know my healthy already.
Day 4.
Hi guys, good morning.
Guys, I'm gonna get this cap. It's for $26. I think it's reasonable for one cap. I really want one cap. It looks nice on me. So when you see me on the road, I Hyatt make it.
Oh my god. Let's just hope the cat not decline.
The buckets are so cute now, but it's expensive.
The bucket size? Oh, that's $45. Oh, it's
I like it. Giving me farmer girl.
Kill me.
Oh! He giving me farmer. Farmer Joe and him daughter. All of our outlets are a cash-free entity.
How do you think you want for Jamaica?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah, man. All right. So we got 6 contestants up here. Raise your flag. Let me see. Nice. All right. That's lovely. Nice.
Guys, when last time eat cotton candy? Watch cotton candy, guys. We had to. It was for the kids, but we had to. So after that, you know, we changed up and we're getting ready to go into the pool. No, man. But Dana is a professional. She can't go into the sunscreen business. Guys, my phone, I know it don't turn on. RIP to my phone. Had to get a new one eventually.
I had to be vlogging off my friend's phone, and guys, we couldn't find one of the footage them of us in the pool. All we have is pictures, so I'm just gonna show you guys a few.
So yeah, that's Dana relaxing after her hard days. This was her last day, so we're just in the pool chilling. So me they run at the back and wait pan Dana for get up over the floaty. Oh, finally she get up. Finally me get a little chance pan the floaty. And you don't know me that enjoy myself. After that so you know, after that we change off now and we'll get ready for go home, but not before another photo shoot. With their property will look nice. So a full jar will say, ooh, ooh.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl.
Oh, what Chantel now? Everybody do want picture with me, guys. Watch. Oh, see? Stacy, see Joby there. Me I tell you, say the trip did lit. Chantel
Chana first time, you don't know upon the channel. Big up yourself, Chana upon the channel. Of course, Gia, she there regular, I know, but Gia did have a running for look at one picture with me as it. But anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, please comment a heart emoji so that I know that you guys stick around, and who knows, there might be a surprise. There might be a surprise for the person who comment the heart emoji. So make sure to do it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye.